And when banking apps start doing more than just showing your balance, the Macquarie Banking app begins to stand out. But whether it's actually worth using depends on how well it combines usability, features, and overall reliability. At its core, the app is designed to give users full control over their finances, including account management, payments, savings, and transaction tracking, all from a single interface. And that naturally makes it appealing for users who prefer digital banking over traditional methods. Starting with features, the app offers real-time transaction updates, budgeting insights, and spending categorization, which help users track where their money is going. It also includes instant payments, bill management, and savings tools, making it more than just a basic banking app. One standout feature is its clean financial overview, where you can quickly see balances, recent activity, and upcoming payments without navigating through multiple menus. Now, when it comes to usability, this is where the Macquarie app performs really well. It has a modern and intuitive interface, making it easy to use even for people who aren't very tech-savvy. Talking about performance, the app is generally fast and reliable, with minimal lag and consistent updates. However, like most banking apps, occasional bugs or login issues can occur, especially after updates, but these are usually resolved quickly. When it comes to pricing, the app itself is free to download and use, which is standard for banking apps. There are no direct subscription fees for using the app, but standard banking fees, interest rates, or account-related charges may still apply depending on the type of account you hold. Looking at pros and cons, the biggest advantage is clearly ease of use and clean design, along with useful financial insights. It's also reliable for everyday banking tasks. On the downside, it may lack some advanced financial tools or integrations that power users might expect. So when you bring everything together, the Macquarie Banking app is a strong option for users who want a simple, efficient, and modern way to manage their finances. But if you're looking for highly advanced features or complex financial tools, it might feel limited. And that balance is what ultimately determines whether this app fits your banking needs. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.